Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Mulvihill. I'm excited to meet all of you and learn about some nice STEM tools that we can use. Whatever field it may be. Me personally, I'm a math teacher, and I think there's a great amount of tools out there that can help students learn. And really looking forward to seeing what you guys do and seeing what I can do. See anything I can help to do to help students learn. All right, so I checked out lynda.com here. And I found some pretty neat stuff. Started out by exploring a couple applications that I've used before. I looked at Desmos just to get a feel for this website, see if they had anything on it, and they did. Um, so I clicked this video here. Tried to click the video, and it took me to this really cool site by this author Oliver Shinkton. And as I was just kind of perusing around this, I saw some really neat stuff, neat resources that he talks about, and they're just real quick tips. This is kind of his platform, and he Teacher Tips Weekly. He comes out with these, so it's pretty neat. Just a couple of things I'd like to point out that he made was um, this CK12 website that you see right here. I explored that for a little bit, and that has some really cool lessons for math that particularly interested me. And I went on and I looked a little further, and I saw this Illuminations in Math. And again, there's some actually also cool lessons that I was looking at that incorporate technology and real world scenarios. I did kind of view these two websites as more of a daily basis. What I mean by that is these would kind of serve as like a per lesson or per topic basis. And I had a tough time sort of connecting or creating a way or imagineering a way that I could use this over a course of a couple of weeks for a big STEAM project. But nonetheless, I did find this worthwhile and I liked it. And I sort of looked around here too, and I saw the nice education topics that I'm personally interested in, and student tools and stuff like that. But what I am currently brainstorming on is how I can use the program Scratch. Scratch is a free computer programming um, website designed by MIT, and I've actually used it before, but I would like to learn more aspects about it. I think there's a wide variety of ways you could take this site. It involves math because computer science definitely involves math and how you can program it logically. And as you can even see here, the motion and motion is involved in math. So for my STEAM project, right now I'm thinking perhaps introducing Scratch to students and um, whether it's sort of introducing them, teaching them the ropes, and from there they'd be able to run off and do whatever they want with it. For instance, making a game, which a lot of kids like to do, or perhaps making a movie. Just a lot of different ways you can do this, and this right here offers a ton of information that I can use to get backup, pun intended, backup information on how I can best teach this material. So I definitely find this useful, and I think by using this resource here, I can help students learn Scratch and produce their own creations, which can be very cool. So yeah, that's where I'm sort of at. Again, I look forward to working with all of you, and I hope to see you guys this Thursday, I think, for our virtual meeting. Thank you. Bye bye.